Namaste viewers, welcome to DM Astrology. Today we are going to see the Jupiter transit, an awaited video. People have requested so many times that please do this video as early. So yes, this is a Jupiter transit video in Capricorn. Now Jupiter is entering Capricorn. It has also came earlier in the 30th of March this year 2020 and remained till the 30th of June 3 months. And we have seen what the result was there. But that time it was a retrograde mode and then it has came in the motion. So let us see first the technical things of a Jupiter transit in the Capricorn. Normally Jupiter in Capricorn doesn't give the good result because it's a double-headed sign. In the previous years, whenever the Jupiter has came in this, like in 49, 1961, 1973, 1985, 1997, 2009 and now in 2020, the Jupiter is entering in the Capricorn sign. In earlier years, it may have given good result or not, but whenever there's in 1961, I know that Jupiter and Saturn both were together in the same Capricorn sign and has given the very good result. So likewise, now Jupiter and Saturn again come back between 20th of November 2020 to 20th of November 2021. Exact 1 year Jupiter will be remaining in the Capricorn. Capricorn is a sign of deeds, Karmasthan for Kala Purusha. And also the Saturn is Lord and it is seated here. So due to the Jupiter doublation, there is a cancellation of a doublation, Nicha Bhanga Rajyo. So there is a cancellation of doublation by the Jupiter and Saturn. Saturn will lift the Jupiter. Saturn will lift the Jupiter. So here Jupiter, whatever the thing has been suppressed for Jupiter, it will be going to give the highest result during this transit. Now let us see some technical things. On 20th of November 2020, the Saturn, Jupiter is entering in the Capricorn sign on 1 hour and 20 minutes in the afternoon, and till 6th of April it will be remain, and 6th of April 2021 is the hyper Jupiter going to the Aquarius sign. It will go in the midnight 12 o'clock on the 6th of April. Then it will again 15th of September it will come back to the Capricorn sign, and finally on 21st of November 2021 it will be again going back to the Aquarius sign. Finally it will be going to the Aquarius sign. So this is incoming outgoing of a Jupiter. Now I also inform my clients about the retrogression stationary, and I seen that after my video so many people redo their video and include that things. This is a good thing, good sign that people are waiting for my video. Now on 21st June 2021 till 18th October 2021, Jupiter will remain retrograde. This is the best time of getting the result from the Jupiter. So Jupiter 21st June 2021 to 18 October 2021, it will be remaining in the retrogression mode, Vakri. During the retrogression, it is the highest good position Jupiter will be reaching on the stationary mode. So stationary mode on 19th June 2021 to 23rd June 2021, it will be from direct to retrograde, it will be stationary, Sthambi. 19th June 2021 to 23rd June 2021, and from retrograde to direct when it is going to come on 16th October 2021 to 21st October 2021, it will be from retrograde to direct, it will be stationary. This 4 days you should note it down and do some wish good deeds so that it will give you multiple way result. Now the Jupiter and Saturn both will be passing same degree 5, 6, 7, 8 degree. There will be same on 16th of December 2020 this year, 16th December to 29th December 2020, the Jupiter and Saturn will be in the same degree they are passing. So this is a higher spiritual yoga one will attain. So this is the best time that you will be utilizing Jupiter Saturn together and getting the good result out of it. Then there is a double spiritual yoga going to happen during the January month on 14th of January, right? 14th of January 2021 to 12th February 2021. There will be Sun, Jupiter, and Saturn will be together. See, this create the spiritual yoga. Surya, Sun, and Jupiter also create the spiritual yoga, Adhyatmic yoga. Saturn and Jupiter also create the Adhyatmic yoga, spiritual yoga. So there will be a double spiritual yoga during this period, and you will be very much blessed. Your soul will be so much blessed during that period. Do something, because in the Makara Sankranti we normally do something good for the soul. So do that time. It will be the remembrance time. Now there is a one special event going to happen in the next year, that the Jupiter and Saturn both in same sign and retrogression. So that will happen between 15th September 2021 to 11th October 2021, when both will be retrograde and in the same sign. So that is the highest best time to get a good result from the Jupiter and Saturn. I believe that nobody gives in such a detailed manner. So you should note down these dates. I'll be also posting in my Facebook, Dharmesh Mehta. I'll be posting in my Instagram, website also. This list will be published of the transit of a Jupiter in the Capricorn sign. Whatever itinerary is there, I will definitely publish. In 2-3 years onwards, I am publishing this. You may get a benefit out of it. So these all are the technical aspect. That normally what will be benefited is that Jupiter is debilitated. Jupiter normally cause the finance. We all know finance, family, relationship, right? These all are the domain. Then marriage, marriage life, partnership, social life. Then your public appearance, children, higher education, your good deeds. Whatever you have done good deeds, that result will be given by Jupiter, or you may incline toward the good deeds. Marriage life, luck, religious belief, traveling to the pilgrims, or meeting to the guru or mentor, getting blessing from the mentor, expectation, fulfillment of our expectation, desire fulfillment, social media, friends. This all comes in the domain of a Jupiter. As it is only, if only the debilation was there, you will be not getting good result, that we have seen in 2008-9 when it was only debilation, 2010 sorry. But now here it is not only debilation, it is a Neecha Bhang Raju. What happens in the cancellation of debilation is that whatever things are being gone down will be pulled by the planet. Now who is pulling here is a Saturn. Saturn is a survivor here. He is saving the Jupiter from the negative aspect. So Saturn, though Saturn is already powerful in their chart, will get a good benefit. Who is having the Aquarius and Aquarius and the Capricorn moon, ascendant will also get benefited. Although people inner strength will come out, because Jupiter and Saturn is nothing but your knowledge and your deeds. See, Jupiter rules the knowledge, Jnana, and Saturn rules the deeds. So here it is a time that your deeds, if you have done the good deeds, then it is a time that your things will be pulled out. Whatever the lacuna is there related to your family, finance, this all will be going to happen during this period. So whatever things you are stuck, whatever things is not growing as per your expectation, now it's a time to get that things grow. So that beautiful time you are going to pass now. So do prepare yourself and get the maximum result. Now hereafter we are seeing all the 12 sign, how this Jupiter Saturn transit is going to give you all different way result. Now take care, in every video, transit video, when I say it has to be seen from moon and ascendant, and whose moon sign is that, you will get a mental result, and whose ascendant sign is that, they will get physical result. In spite of every time I mention this, the people will write in the comment box from where to see it, from moon or ascendant. I like that comments, at least he has written something. So do write me, I reply so many people a day, so you can also solve your query. So here the Jupiter and Saturn will be passing from all the sign and ascendant. What result will be there? See, those having that as a moon sign will get that result in the mental way, and those having that as a ascendant sign will get physically. That simple it is. Why to make it more complicated? Anyway, I'm still not understand. I have already clear. Now going with the Aries. See, for Aries people, this combination is going to happen in the 10th house. We know 10th house is the house of deeds. Here there is a lot of 9, 10, 11, 12 all seated together in 10th house. So what you are waiting for? Whatever the new changes you wish to do about your career, profession, you want to change your career, you want to do from job to business or growing business, additional income if you want to create, this is a time. This is a time of action because both are in 10th house, both will increase your business, reputation, name, fame, everything. So go and start. Don't wait for anything. Now is the time to prove yourself, prove your inner strength. So go and do the plan accordingly and get the maximum result out of this Jupiter Saturn. If it is in the moon sign, if it is your Aries is a moon sign, plan accordingly and then act. And if it is your ascendant sign, immediately take action. You don't have to think about it. So that beautiful it is. Considering the Taurus ascendant, for Taurus moon or Taurus ascendant, this will be from 9th house. Here Jupiter is being the 8th lord seated in 9th house, it's okay. But Saturn is more powerful. As I told you, the Saturn is a survivor, and Saturn is a yoga for this ascendant and this moon. So you will be getting benefit out of it. So if you wish to travel foreign, it is a good time for you. Foreign traveling will be good. You want to wish to visit the pilgrims, it is a good time. Foreign traveling is good for you. You want to do anything new with your luck. If you want to test your luck, also it is a good time for you. So it is all over way. Whatever you wish to meet your mentor, guru, this is also a good time. So do involve in the spirituality. Do some good deeds. This is a good for you to get the Jupiter Saturn in 9th house transiting and growing all your good deeds and everything. So why to wait for it? It's the best time for you. So go ahead and do that things and get a maximum result out of it. So that is Jupiter and Saturn in 9th house. Now we'll see the Gemini. For Gemini people, this will be passing from their 8th house. Is not considered good being a 8th house in 8th lord in 8th house, 7th lord also in the 8th house. It will create some fear, anxiety, but it will also give you an opportunity if you wish to get some inheritance benefit. Your fear will come out. Whatever the fear is there, your fear will come out. If you wish to get some money, some good knowledge, in-depth knowledge, this is a time. So this way you will be getting all your fear comes out. That is also relief. It will also give you a financial benefit, likewise inheritance property, speculative gain, sudden gain, and your life will be somewhat tough, but with the growing nature. It is growing, that is why it is tough. Going next to the Cancer. For Cancer people, this Jupiter Saturn passing from 7th house. So if you have wish or planning for the marriage, this is the right time. As the Jupiter is a Neecha Bhang Rajo, whatever impossible things is there, that will be able to possible. So why not to go there and use this? So go and utilize your marriage prospects, marriage promise. Your public life will be achieving good. You'll be getting good support and response from the audience or from the people to whom you are facing. So that way also good. Partnership wise also, if there is any dispute, that will also resolve and you will get a good benefit. So related to your spouse health, you have to little careful, as it is a 6th lord seated in the 7th house. So you need to be careful about your spouse health. Otherwise there is no problem. Considering Leo, for Leo people it is passing from 6th house. Not considered good as a 5th lord and 7th lord in 6th house. It is not considered good. Your all past disease, if you are suffering from any past disease, that will come out. So you have to be very careful. You have to be very alert. So whatever the past your disease is there, that will come out. It will repair. See, it is repaired, that is why it is good. When certain things get repaired, it is good now that you will be get relief out of it. Since how prolonged you are facing some problem, that will come out. Many enemies will come in forward you, and they will challenge you. You will make the battle with that, and you will win. That way it is good only. Your litigation also will lead to some compromise, lead to some result oriented. So that way also it is good. If you wish to change the job, it is a good time. If you wish to keep some good employees, it's also a good time. So all related to the litigation, disease, enmity, debt. If you wish to complete your debt, this is a good time. You repay your debt, you start paying the debt, you will get relief out of it. So that way it is good. But it's all negative things will be surrounding to you. That may be a thing that will make you somewhat in pressure. Okay, going to the Virgo. For Virgo moon or Virgo ascendant, it will be passing from 5th house. It is passing from 5th house, so all your past deeds, whatever you have done in the earlier time, will be mature. All your deeds will pay you. Speculation gain is there, shares, mutual fund will give you good return. Your old investment will give you good result. So that way also good. If you wish to do some higher education, this is good time for you to pursue any higher education. If there is a gap, you can fill the gap and do the education, complete education, higher education. Related to your children, if you are planning to get the children, this is a good time. Plan cesarean, I always advise to plan certain period. As I told you that 15 September 2021 to 11th October 2021, best time for the child who will born during that period. So you may also utilize this period. So plan cesarean is also being possible from now. You can plan and get the result during that time. Then Virgo, it is good as in the 5th house. Then going to the Libra. For Libra people, it will be passing from 4th house. Very good. It will increase your wealth, increase your pleasure, increase your all material things. If you wish to shift the house, it is good time. If you wish to renovate your house, it's a good time. Wish to buy a new car, or you wish to get a repair or get a good additional features in the car, this is a good time. So for luxury, comfort, everything also you will be going to enjoy. See, Saturn is again Yokarak planet in your this ascendant. So obviously this will also going to give you good result only. So your normal education also will be pursued very well, as well as it will give you a good benefit out of the education. Career related focus will be increased during this period. So all the way it is a time of a good pleasure seeking. You will be getting good pleasure out of it. So it is good for you. You will be getting good maximum best result. Talking to the Scorpio people. For Scorpio people, this will be going to pass from the 3rd house. 3rd house is the courage and short distance traveling. So your courage will increase. You will desire to do some new things. So it's a good time for you to initiate anything, to start up anything. This is a good time. So whatever the things you have planned already and could not able to make it, now it is time to make that thing possible. So do that things. It's also important for you to be pursue any new things. The relation with the siblings will improve. You will also going to help your siblings, and your siblings also will going to help you. That way it will be good for you. And whatever the new venture you wish to start, is a time for doing new venture, keeping a new desire, and getting good relation with the neighbors also. So for you it is also good. For Sagittarius people, the Jupiter and Saturn will be transiting from 2nd house. So for you it is a time for getting good wealth, accumulation of wealth, investment time. Do good investment during this period, will mature like anything. If you wish to resolve any family dispute, family problem, this is a time where you can resolve your family dispute, family problem, or anything better you want a family settlement. This is a good time. So do resolve some things related to the family, finance, wealth. Whatever you speak will be effectively. So be careful about your speech. Whatever you will utter, that will happen. So that way the Saraswati is there in your lips. So it is a time to only speak good things. And it's a time for positive energy, time for attracting. The law of attraction will brings you good wealth and relationship. Going to the Capricorn people, Capricorn moon or Capricorn ascendant, you will be getting this Jupiter Saturn in the ascendant. Whatever your inner strength is, make that things come out. Your all the deficiency in the body will remove now. So whatever things it's keeping you heavy or physically not fit will get the release. So it's a time to get release, time to get the maximum result from your body physically. So whatever that physically difficult work, impossible work, you may start and get a good result. This is a time where you can create a new deeds, new work, new venture, spirituality involvement. This all are will be the good domain for you. Capricorn people, get the maximum benefit out of it and do plan for the years and years. So this is a good time for you Capricorn people. Enjoy it. Aquarius people, it's not so good as the ascendant lord in the 12th house as the 11th lord in the 12th house. So here is the time for spending. You need to spend many things. You need to do capital investment, huge investment. Maybe you have to involve in the marriage ceremony, so you have to spend lot of things. So it is a capital investment. Either you wish to buy a property, either you wish to get office or new business. You have to invest here. This is a time whereby you have to invest. The law heavy expenditure will be there. If you are not into the investment or anything, it will be better that you do the systematic investment, because whatever the money is about to go, it will go, but by way of investment, voluntary involvement, it will come back. So it will be a physical deficiency also, so you have to take care about your health also. It will not give you good result. It will be a deficiency, it will be a repairing, because ascendant lord in 12th house doesn't give the good result, and Jupiter will also being powerful, so it will increase. So it may increase your health related issue, your disease wise it will make you suffer and may lose your energy. So you have to be very careful about during this period. Only thing is that be aware, be conscious, and do repairing in your thing, do change in your life, will bring the good result. Going forward to the last, Pisces. For Pisces moon and Pisces ascendant, it will be from the 11th house. Very good time for you, as your ascendant lord in the 11th house, 12th lord also in the 11th house, 10th lord is in the 11th house, and 11th lord itself is the 11th lord. So this is a time for fulfilling of desire. Your social contact connection will increase. Your friends will try to help you, and you also have to help them. So both the way it will be reciprocal relationship and getting a good result from each other. So go back to your elder brothers and friends will help you, and you also will help them. It is a new deeds, new venture time also for the Pisces. Don't wait. Don't wait for taking a so long time to take a final call or decision. Immediately put the decision, you will be in gain. Even though putting so much effort, you are not getting result. Now is the time to get a result. So here we complete all the 12 sign, 12 ascendant, how it will be there and what the people will get result. But in short, you have to keep in the mind that Jupiter will be getting more benefit. If your Jupiter already is powerful, if your Saturn is already powerful, you have a double luck. It is a double luck period, that whatever the deeds you have performed, your deeds will pull your luck. 10th and 11th, see, deeds are Saturn and luck is Jupiter. So your deeds, your performance, if you have done since a long period, now it is a time to get your result. Time to grow. Jupiter is a growth, so it will grow. Although Saturn has delayed so much thing in your life, but this is a time where two combinations are there. It will lift you. It will bring back into the surface all your good deeds, and you will be able to enjoy this. So resolve your family issue, resolve your financial matter, resolve your education matters, resolve your children related issue, whether they you want to procure child or you already have child and you are planning something for your children, best time. Resolving the dispute between the partners, social partners, then your spouse, this is a time where you can resolve. You can go to your guru, go to your mentor, go to your Jupiter guru. This is a time you will get some good blessing out of them, to whom you are believing as a guru, whether it is your karma guru, because Saturn gives you a karma guru, who has inspired you to do these things, do some work, go to them, they will bless you. Those who are your religious guru, go to them and get a blessing. This is a time to get gratitude towards the guru. Connect with your guru, because your deeds, your guru and your deeds are going to combine. So if you wish to grow your deeds, grow your good deeds, then this is a time to meet your guru, to whom you are treating as a guru, whether it is a religious guru, whether it is a spiritual guru, whether it is a belief guru. Belief also is a Jupiter. What you believe as a Jupiter guru, or your karma guru, who has given you line, who has given you direction, go and connect with them and see the beautiful result you will be going to get. I have completed my task. I have remember my gurus C.S. Patel sir and M.B. Mehta sir here, and show them the gratitude. So you also, it is a time to show your gratitude and be connect with your guru, be connect with the education, be connect with the donation, charity. These all things Jupiter like, and this your deeds will perform, your increase your luck. So better perform your good deeds, do charity, social, education help, education aids, family wise if you able to provide any help, this is a good time. So better enjoy this time and get a good result out of it, and maximum benefit you will be getting. So this is my blessing, that you all will get a good things in your life, come out from all the problems, disease, financial crisis, and get a good result. So do like, share and subscribe my channel DM Astrology. Inform others. This is also part of a gratitude, to inform others for the good deeds what I am doing, and they will be also getting benefit out of it, obviously. And for you can visit my channel www.dm-astrology.com. that is also very informative. Facebook you can connect with me, Dharmesh Mehta. Instagram also DM Astrology or Dharmesh Mehta, you may connect, and YouTube you do subscribe it. So herewith I complete this lesson. We'll see you in the next lecture with the very informative things. God bless you. Stay blessed. Thank you. Namaste. धन्यवाद.